Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can draw this piece in AutoCAD 2021. First of all, we will begin with this part. So we have the dimensions 92 and 38 units. After that we will extrude it with a thickness of 13. So let's get started. We'll go with 3D plan first of all, and now we will begin with the command rectangle. Select from a random point and let's build it. So 38, tab, 92. Double click on the mouse wheel, and now let's apply the press pull command with 13 units. Press enter. The next step, we will focus on this part right now, but we will construct it outside. So keep it in mind with these dimensions 104 and 116, and the thickness it will be again 13. So let's change the plan into front, let's say, and now let's change the origins. So go with Tools, New UCS, and View. Build again a rectangle, starting from the random point, the first dimension 104, tab 116. Enter. Now let's add another detail here. So as we see in this picture, we have here a hole, but we will construct first of all the first circle right here. So to find the center of this circle, we need to construct another rectangle right here with the dimensions 22 and 28 units. So again, rectangle from this point, 28, tab, 22 units. From here, we will construct our circle. So our circle has the radius 6.5 units. And then we will copy it in the other part. So we will copy it far away with 50 units distance. So circle, enter. From this point, 6.5, enter. And now let's just copy it. So select it, copy it. Make sure you have the ortho command active and go with 50 units. Now let's delete this rectangle. Let's create another line. From one point to the other, select the line and copy it in the other side. Select the entire drawing here and use the trim command to delete these parts. Now the next step, it will be to build this arch right here. So let's have a look again. Here we have a distance of 41 units, so we will explode our rectangle and we will add a line of 41 units, and here as we see we have a line of 29 units, and this arch have the radius of 75. So keep it in mind, 41 and 29. Explode first of all it, so select it, press X from explode and delete them, both lines. Now create some new lines. 41, line again, 29. Now go with draw, arch, start and radius. So start, this is the end, and now I will press command or control. Let's deactivate the ortho, and now we will press 75, enter. So this is our arch. Good. Now we will apply again the press pull command with a thickness of 13 units. So go with 3D plan again. Go with the press pull. Select the surface and press 13. And now here we will construct a rectangle. We will start from this point and then we will move it 15.5 units away. And our rectangle will have the dimension 13 and 4. So let's get started. We will change the view first of all. So we'll go with left plan, turn it over, Tools, New UCS, and View again. Now we are in the XY axis, everything is fine. Let's go from this point. So right rectangle again. If you cannot find it, just press Shift and right click and go with endpoint. And start first of all with the first dimension, 4, tab, 13. Enter. Now let's move it. So move command. Make sure you have the ortho command active again, 15.5 units. And now we will apply again the press pull command. So select this. Now, to be sure that everything is fine, let's have a look. So change here into shaded with edges, and everything seems to be fine. Good. Let's put it in the good place. To know where is the good place, let's have a look again, and we see here that we have a dimension here, 92 minus 73 minus 13, that means 6 units. So we will create here a line, but first of all let's change again to the wireframe, and let's create here a line. So line with 6 units. And now let's select the entire drawing here and press move. Select this corner. If you cannot find again, yeah, we find it. Shift right click and point. And here it is. For the next object, this triangle, we know that this line has 63 units, but we don't know this line. So we will just construct it to be almost like in this drawing. And then we will construct the third line to unify the other two. And after that, we will apply a thickness of 6 units. So we will construct first of all a line to know where is the middle. So shift right click and point. Okay, until here. Now let's build another line. So line command again. If you cannot find the middle, shift right click middle point. And let's build a line with 63 units. Now from the same point, let's build another line. If you cannot find again, midpoint. And let's say it will be until here. Now another line until you reach the other one. Select those 3 lines and press join. Enter. And now we have one polyline. Press pull again on this surface with 6 units. Now select the entire object and move it with 3 units to be exactly in the middle. And let's have a final look. For the final step, go with the union command, select the entire drawing, press enter, select the drawing and move it. Now let's delete all the extra lines that we don't need. And our drawing now is officially done. I hope this video helped you. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.